markets have opened, so is the trading between the rupee and the US dollar. Let's see how the rupee is trading this morning. We've been told that it's open to a record low again this time. In fact, rupee at this point currently trading at 73.69 against the US dollar, and it's 0.35 down as well. Rupee hits an all-time low, remember, at 73.69 currently, weakens further by the 43 paise from yesterday's close as well, and that's obviously having an impact on the markets as well, where markets are also down by 123 points, currently trading at 10,734. Let's see what the Sensex is looking like. Sensex is opened in the red as well this morning, down by 389, in fact 400 points. In fact, it's recovered a little. When it opened in the morning, it was down by 540, and it's recovering slightly, currently down by 414 at this point, and trading at 35,560 as we speak. All right, we'll try and connect in just a bit and bring you more details, but the market's not looking so great this Thursday morning. Rupee has opened to a new record low, and the market's trading in the red as well, with a steep fall in the Sensex of over 450. All right, I can go across to my colleague Sakshi, joining us live, in fact, on the phone line for more details on this. Sakshi, can you please give us the details and tell us what exactly has been the reason behind the sharp and steep fall in the Sensex this morning?
Thank you for that, Sonal. Well, the sharp fall in the markets this morning in both the benchmark indices as well as the rupee hitting an all-time low at 73.77 to the dollar isn't really a surprise. Remember, the SGX Nifty, our Nifty trading on the Singapore Stock Exchange, was 150 points down. So traders were expecting that markets will have a slide this morning, as well as they're anticipating the markets to slide further by this afternoon. Remember now what is happening, Sonal, is the fact that the macros are really weighing on the market mood. Our oil prices are surging, the dollar is at 96 nearly, and that is really pulling down the sentiment, and stock-specific action traders feel will fail to resume anything in this market at the moment. It's really gloom and doom as they see it in the days ahead, and we'll only have to wait and watch what happens next.
All right, Sakshi, but if you could give us more details into why exactly the markets, consistently they've been trading in the red. Even yesterday they opened to a low, but this steep fall of 450, any specific reasons and sentiments behind it?
For sure. So yesterday, our global crude oil prices hit a 4-year high. Remember, crude oil prices surging at that level now is pulling down our markets. Also, the fact that the rupee is tumbling consistently is weighing on heavyweights in IT, for instance, TCS and Infosys. So the heavyweights are also being dragged down in this market. Earlier, what we had was, Sonal, a situation where our heavyweights were not getting pulled down, and so therefore the market breadth was not getting affected. Today, we are in a situation where even our heavyweights are getting pulled down by the macro factors, and that is turning out to be worrisome.